Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best Garmin watches that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Tired of smartwatches that die in a day, struggle outdoors, or can't handle serious training? Whether you're hiking, diving, running, or just want a premium rugged smartwatch, most options force you to compromise on battery, durability, or features. What if one watch did everything and still looked premium? This is the Garmin fēnix 8 to 51mm AMOLED Sapphire, a premium multisport GPS smartwatch with titanium build, dive rating, and long battery life. Large 1.4-inch AMOLED display with sapphire crystal protection. Titanium case, lightweight but extremely durable. Built-in LED flashlight for night runs and emergencies. Dive-rated design, suitable for underwater activities. Advanced multisport tracking, running, hiking, cycling, swimming and more. Built-in GPS plus Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth connectivity. 32GB storage for maps, workouts, and music. Long-lasting battery optimized for outdoor adventures. Health tracking, heart rate, sleep, recovery, stress and training readiness. Smart features, notifications, apps, and touch controls. Pros. Premium titanium plus sapphire durability. Bright AMOLED display. Extremely feature-packed for athletes. Excellent battery life for a smartwatch. Built-in flashlight is surprisingly useful. Cons. Very expensive. Large 51mm size may feel bulky. Overkill for casual users. Garmin UI takes time to learn. Perfect for outdoor adventurers, runners and endurance athletes, divers and swimmers, hiking and trekking users, people wanting the ultimate rugged smartwatch. Not ideal for casual smartwatch users, small wrist users, budget buyers. At $1,194.95, it's definitely premium, but you're getting one of the most powerful multisport smartwatches ever made. Number 4. This is the Garmin vívoactive 6, a sleek health and fitness GPS smartwatch with AMOLED display and up to 11 days of battery life. Bright 1.2-inch AMOLED display with smooth touch controls. Up to 11 days battery life in smartwatch mode. Built-in GPS for running, walking, cycling and workouts. All-day health tracking, heart rate, sleep, stress and body battery. Women's health and cycle tracking support. Smart notifications for calls, texts and apps. Multiple sports modes, gym, yoga, cardio, outdoor activities. Lightweight and comfortable for daily wear. 8GB storage for apps and data. Bluetooth connectivity with smartphone sync. Pros. Lightweight and comfortable design. Beautiful AMOLED display. Long battery life for daily use. Accurate GPS and fitness tracking. Easy to use Garmin health features. Cons. No built-in Wi-Fi. Smaller screen than premium models. Limited smart app ecosystem. Not as rugged as high-end Garmin watches. Best for everyday fitness tracking. Beginners and casual athletes. Gym and walking users. People wanting long battery life. Lightweight smartwatch lovers. Not ideal for extreme outdoor adventurers. Advanced endurance athletes. Users needing premium rugged build. At $299.99, the vívoactive 6 offers excellent value, great health tracking, AMOLED display, and long battery life without flagship pricing. Number 3. This is the Garmin Forerunner 965, a premium running smartwatch with AMOLED display, advanced training metrics, and full color maps. Large 1.4-inch AMOLED display with vibrant colors. Advanced training metrics, VO2 max, training readiness and recovery insights. Full color maps with turn-by-turn navigation. Triathlon and multisport profiles for serious athletes. Daily suggested workouts and race adaptive training plans. Built-in GPS with accurate outdoor tracking. Running power and wrist-based running dynamics. Body battery and sleep score for recovery tracking. 32GB storage for maps, music, and workouts. Long battery life designed for endurance training. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and smart notification support. Pros: excellent for runners and triathletes. Bright AMOLED display. Advanced training and recovery insights. Full color offline maps. Lightweight compared to rugged models. Cons: expensive for casual users. Not as rugged as fēnix series. No built-in flashlight. Smartwatch features are limited versus Apple/Samsung. Best for runners and marathon training. Triathletes and endurance athletes. Data-driven fitness users. Outdoor runners needing maps. Performance-focused athletes. Not ideal for casual smartwatch users. Budget buyers. People wanting rugged adventure watch. At $499.99, the Forerunner 965 sits in the premium running watch category, but you get pro-level training metrics, AMOLED display, and full maps. Number 2. This is the Garmin Instinct 345mm AMOLED, a rugged outdoor GPS smartwatch with flashlight, long battery life, and durable design. Bright 1.2-inch AMOLED display with rugged protection. Metal reinforced bezel for tough outdoor use. Built-in LED flashlight for night visibility. Up to 18 days battery life in smartwatch mode. Built-in GPS for hiking, running, and outdoor tracking. Multi-sport tracking for workouts and adventures. Military-style rugged durability design. Smart notifications from your phone. Health tracking, heart rate, sleep, activity monitoring. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB connectivity. Lightweight 45mm size for comfortable wear. Pros: rugged outdoor ready design. Long battery life, up to 18 days. Built-in flashlight is very useful. Lightweight compared to fēnix series. Reliable GPS tracking. Cons: smaller 1.2-inch display. Limited storage, 4GB. Not as premium as fēnix line. Fewer advanced training metrics. Best for hikers and outdoor adventurers. Camping and trekking users. Rugged smartwatch lovers. Battery life focused users. Everyday outdoor fitness tracking. Not ideal for hardcore runners needing advanced metrics. People wanting premium metal design. Users needing large display. At $419.89, the Instinct 3 offers strong value, rugged build, AMOLED display, flashlight, and long battery life. Number 1. This is the Garmin Forerunner 165, an affordable running smartwatch with AMOLED display and essential training insights. Bright 1.2-inch AMOLED display with touchscreen. Built-in GPS for accurate running and outdoor tracking. Training metrics and recovery insights. Daily workout suggestions for runners. Heart rate and sleep tracking. VO2 max and performance monitoring. Lightweight and comfortable design. Up to multi-day battery life for training. Bluetooth connectivity for phone notifications. 4GB storage for apps and workout data. Multiple sports modes, run, walk, gym and cardio. Pros: affordable Garmin running watch. Bright AMOLED display. Accurate GPS tracking. Lightweight for running. Good training insights for beginners. Cons: limited advanced metrics. Small 1.2-inch display. No full maps navigation. Basic smartwatch features. Best for beginner runners. Casual fitness users. Budget Garmin buyers. Lightweight watch lovers. Everyday running and workouts. Not ideal for advanced athletes. Triathletes. Users needing maps and pro metrics. At $199.99, the Forerunner 165 is one of the best budget running watches with AMOLED display and Garmin training features. Great value for beginners and casual runners. Check the link in description for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more smartwatch reviews.